Hi guys, it's Diane here, and I am inviting you to come with me at the start of my joy walk. So now, what the heck is a joy walk, you might ask? Well, we have recently had our latest workshop for the Empowered Spiritual Path membership, and our topic was joy. And we studied joy as a state of being, part of your divine birthright. We had all kinds of wonderful discussion, and we were able to explore this topic and the way joy not only sparks happiness and laughter in our lives, but that presence of joy can actually create a container that can hold us in our darkest times. When we were discussing how we connect to that joy within, how we remember our own joy, one of our beautiful members said that she'd like to take a joy walk. And by that she meant she went outside, she was in nature, she connected to the joy within, and she looked for birds and animals and part of the skyline that helped spark joy within her. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I am on my joy walk right now. I don't know if you can hear it. There's a bird over there. There's been some squirrels playing. I just walked by a beautiful brook. Now, I'll be honest with you, there's plenty of things in my life that I could be stressed about. Oh, there goes a leaf. And there's time for that. I honor the stress or the worry, whatever comes up. But I always want to remember that below all of that is a beautiful energy of joy. And I can connect to that anytime I want and have it help me and hold me through whatever that I'm going through. If this kind of material really appeals to you and you'd like to know different ways that the divine is alive and active in your life, join us on the Empowered Spiritual Path. We have an open membership and we would love to have you join us. Okay, on my walk now. Invite you to take one too.